Hello and welcome to my scalloped edge for the outside finishing look of any blanket, scarf, pillow, anything you would like to put it on. You'll notice here that I created a small sample that has double crochets, and in between it has a chain one. The chain one space will help hold the extra stitches instead of just placing it in between. Now you can place it in between regular stitches, but it just looks nicer and it will lay flatter if it has a chain one in between. You can also use this on a granny afghan if chosen. So to begin, I am using a size H hook. It is a 5mm, and I'm using two different colors of yarn. You can use any color. It looks better if you choose a contrasting color. So I have a medium blue and a darker blue. Okay, so let's start off. We're going to place a slip knot on our hook, or on our yarn here, and then place it on our hook. And you want to leave a little tail so that you can go ahead and weave that in for later. I'm going to start here in the chain one opening, and we're going to start with a standing single crochet. So just pull your yarn over, bring up a loop, and then pull through both two. That is a standing single crochet. Then we're going to chain two. In our same chain one space, we're going to place 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, now we're going to start building up. We're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then right here in between the last 2 double crochets, we're going to place 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3 and repeat what you did the last time. We're going to go in between the last 2 and place 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. And we're going to do this one more time so that we can have enough to go to where we're going. So chain 3 and then 3 double crochets in between the last 2 double crochets. 2 and 3. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Okay, now we're going to skip one chain one space. We're going to go to the second one, and we're going to place a single crochet there. Now draw up a loop and bring your loop and your working yarn into the front of your work. Okay? And let's pull up our second color. So with a slip knot on our hook, we're going to take this ruffle and we're going to roll it back so it's out of our way, and when we place our hook in, we're just going through this work right here. And we're going to start again with a standing single crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2. I think you're going to see that we're going to do the exact same thing we just did in this color here. So we're going to do 3 double crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to continue on. I think this is a really nice border. It's simple to do, and I think that it will decorate anything that you create very nicely. If you like to decorate dish towels, this would be a super nice edging for a dish towel as well. 1, 2, 3. We're on our 4th one. And there's 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Now, we want to make sure that our first color is here in front, and then we're going to skip over to the next chain 1 space and place in a single crochet. Draw up a long loop, and then bring the working yarn and the loop to the front. Okay, so here we have 2 already. Right, let's continue on. So now pick up your loop from your first color. You're going to take that darker, the second color, and roll that back, and let's tighten that loop for the first color. And now we're going to create the same thing. We're going to chain 2 for the first one, the 3 double crochet, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet in that same space that's in between the last 2 double crochets, chain 3. You see how simple this is? And it goes quickly when you do make it. And here we got 1 more to make, and here is the last one. This would even look nice on a collar, you know, for a child or for an adult. Okay, so we have our last one that has this second color in it. So we want to come over here to this one. We're going to place a single crochet and draw up a loop. And then bring your working yarn and your loop forward. Okay, see what we have so far? It looks so nice. Let's do the last one. Okay, so we got our second color. Okay, we're going to take our other 2 colors and roll them down. And we're going to chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Okay, and chain 3, and in between the last 2, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3. And the nice thing too is that your yarn will not get tangled. Here, I got a new skein. Oh my goodness. Here we go. New skein of yarn. I guess like I always suggest when I do my videos, pull out enough yarn. And I thought I had enough, but I didn't. It's always good to pull it out so that way you can maintain proper tension with your yarn so that you don't have your yarn uneven. Okay, so I got 4 of our little scallops here, and we're going to go to the next one, and I'm going to place a single crochet there, and I'm going to bring up a big loop. So we've done our repeat twice. Now isn't that cute? And it's not very thick, and it is reversible, and it will be a nice addition for your blanket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give it a try. Happy crocheting! Bye-bye.